Hello, good morning my dear students. This is Thiru sir, your English teacher. So welcome to the online classes of Sri Eknatharav Khadse Talent English Medium School, Muktayanagar. So dear students, today we will start the NCERT textbook Honeysuckle and Unit 2 prose. The prose name is How the Dog Found Himself a New Master. So before, how they used to roam and now how they are moving. So about that we are going to discuss, right? So first, before reading, you may know some little bit close relation between the wolf and the dog. Generally it is happening, isn't it? So this lesson is very interesting lesson, that how the dog came to the human being, how the dog became pet animal of the human being. From this lesson we came to know. So without any late, we will start the lessons. First paragraph wise I will read and I will explain to you. Dogs were once their own masters and lived to the way wolves do, in freedom, until a dog was born who was ill-pleased with his way of life. He was sick and tired of wandering about by himself, looking for food and being frightened of those who were stronger than he. He thought it over and decided that the best things for him to do was to become the servant of one who was stronger than anyone on earth, and he set out to find such a master. So what happens, generally the dogs used to roam as like wild animals in ancient time. So what happens, how the wolf nowadays were moving in the forest, the same way the dogs also were moving in that area. So what happened, one day a small dog was born who looks very ill, and he always frightened to stronger than him, always living in frightenedly, not living happily. So the dog, one day he decided that he wanted a master. He wanted a master who is stronger than all other the animals on earth. He decided. Then after he started to search the master. He walked and he met a kinsman of his, a big wolf who was as strong as he was fierce. He walked, means until he getting the master, he walked to search the food. Then after some days, what happens? A figure, animal he found, means very violent and frightened. Where are you going, dog? The wolf asked. Dog, where are you going? I am looking for someone to take of service with. Would you like to be my master, wolf? Would you like to be my master, wolf? Say, that is, keep in mind. Wolf, which noun is it? Case, noun case. Search it. 4 noun case I have explained to you. Search it, this is one of them. Next, what happens? I don't see. Why not? The wolf said, and this agreed upon. The two of them went together. Then after, what happens? The wolf said that why not? Sure, you want be a servant of mine, so definitely. So they both are agree, and they went to the home. They walked, and all of a sudden the wolf lifted his nose, slipped, darted quickly off the path and into the bush, and crept deeper into the forest. The dog was much surprised. "What's come over you, master?" he asked. "What has frightened you so?" Suddenly, they're walking and walking. Suddenly, he realized something, and he went away from their places, and he hid in the bushes of deep forest. At the time, the dog was surprised. What happening? What animal came there? The wolf said, "Can't you see? There is a bear out there, and he might eat up both of us, you and me. Can't you see? दिखता नहीं तेरे को?" When making angriness, this type of expression will come to you. So, can't you see? Outside there was a big bear. If he will see, he will eat off you and me. Then what happens? Seeing that bear was stronger than the wolf, the dog decided to take off service with him, and he left the wolf and asked the bear to be his master. The bear agreed to this readily and said, let us go and find a herd of cows. I will kill a cow, and then we can both eat our fill. Then when the dog realized that the wolf not stronger than bear, then after he left the wolf and went to the bear, and he requested to him to make a servant of him. Then after, what happens? The bear also agreed, and both of okay. Then after, the bear said, "Okay, let's go. We will find a herd of cow, and I have to kill a cow, and then after we will eat to each other." Then what happens? They walked on and soon saw a herd of cow. But just as they were about to come up to it, they were stopped by terrible noise. The cow were moaning loudly and running in a panic in all directions. So when the bear and dog just reached the place, bear and dog reached the place, suddenly a sound or noise created. By the noise, all the cattle, ox, they started to run in all different directions with a panic way. What happens? The bear looked out from behind a tree, and then he too ran harshly deeper into the forest. Then after, when he saw, he also ran away. He also ran away to the deep forest. But what he really saw, what he exactly looked, let you see later. "Now, why did I have come to here?" said he to the dog. "It is the lion who ruled the forest in the parts." "The lion? Who is he? Don't you know he is the strongest beast on earth?" The dog asked, "Hey, why are you coming? Why are you running here? Don't you know? He is the lion. He is the king of the jungle. Lion, saying the dog. Lion. So, lion. He is the strongest on the earth. Then the dog realized that he is also not stronger than other animals. So what he did? Well, then I will say goodbye to you. Bear, I want a master who is stronger than anyone on earth. Then after listening to these things, he said, oh, you are also not stronger than all the animal of the earth? So, why should I stay here? Okay, goodbye. I want to go on from this place. My main ambition is I want to be a good servant of a master. The master must be stronger than all over the world. Then after he left the place, and of the dog went to ask the lion to be his master. Then after he went to the lion and he asked to the lion to become a master, to be of his master. Then what happened? The lion agreed to it, and the dog stayed with him and served him for a long time. Long time. It was a good life, and he had nothing to complain of, for there was no stronger beast in the forest than the lion, and no one dared touch the dog or offend him in any way. So then after agreed the lion, he became so happy. For long years, he stayed with the lion. Though the lion is the king of the forest, so there is no dare anybody to touch the dog. So the dog became so happy, and he also felt some luxurious life. Then what happens? But one day, the two of them were walking side by side along a path that ran amid bare cliff, when all of a sudden the lion stopped. What happens? Generally, one day they used to go to some mountain areas. They used to walk on that land. Suddenly the lion stopped. He gave a great roar and struck the ground angrily with his paw with such force that a hole formed there. Then he began back away very quietly. What happened? Suddenly stopped, and he got angry and he beat to the ground, where it became a hole after beating. That was angriness. They suddenly quietly came back, means returned back. Then what happens? What is it, master? Is anything wrong? Asked the dog, surprised. He became the strongest in the jungle. He was king of the jungle. So what happened to him? He asked to him, what happens? Anything is wrong? Why you are became? Why you stopped here? What happened actually? The lion said, I smell a man coming this way. I smell a man is coming this way. And the lion said, we had better run for it, or we will be in trouble. Better we have to leave the place. So let's go. Otherwise, we will fall into problems. Then after, the dog said, oh, well, then I will say goodbye. I mean, anybody stronger than you? There is lives on the earth. So why should I stay here? I will say goodbye to you. I mean, you are also not stronger on the earth. So then after he said, and he made goodbye to him. Then what happens? Goodbye to you, lion. I want a master who is stronger than anyone on earth. I want the person, those who will be my master, he must be stronger all over the world, animal or human being or living things. And off the dog went to join the man, and he stayed with him and served him faithfully. From the times after leaving the lion, he went to the human being, and he stayed for many million years faithfully. Till today also he stayed with the human beings. In this way, the dog became a pet animal of the human being. But this happened long ago, but to this day, means today's, the dog is a man's most loyal servant and no other master. Today, dog's very faithful master is human being or man. So dear students, how do you feel the stories? I hope you must feel the story very pleasingly. So if you have any doubt, definitely you can ask to me, that I can fulfill your doubt and I can help to you. So dear students, I hope you understand this lesson properly. So next session we are going to read the other lessons. Got it? The poems. The name is Kite. So write this question answer. If you don't know the question answer, definitely I will send the question answer. You write it, and behind the grammars, definitely you have to clear it. Okay. So my dear students, bye bye. Keep watching till I arrive once again. Okay. Bye.